Quick Scan is one of the fastest and simplest ways to support your wellness throughout the day. Whether you're short of time or just looking for a quick check-in, this feature gives you real-time energetic insights anytime you need them. Let's check it out. Select Quick Scan on the homepage. At the top, you'll see 5 scan types: morning, midday, evening, custom, and pets. Each one is designed to give you fast, frequency-based support tailored to how your energy shifts throughout the day. Let's start with the morning scan. First, choose any supplement categories you'd like the scan to consider using in your results. Then, tap Next. If you haven't set these up yet, no problem. Just tap Next to continue. You can always add them later for more personalized insights. Make sure your headset is plugged in and ready, then prepare to speak for 10 seconds. We recommend starting with, "I am your full name." Then continue speaking about anything you'd like for the rest of the time. In just a few moments, your personalized results will appear. You'll receive 2 color suggestions for your glasses, a 3-minute music track with harmonizing frequencies, supplement recommendations. This section will be blank if you haven't added any yet. Midday, evening, and custom scans follow the same process, though they don't include color suggestions for glasses in your results. Use whichever scan fits your schedule or intention for the day. Then there's Quick Scan for pets, as you're selecting the pet scan. Select your pet's profile from the scan target list. If your pet isn't listed, you'll need to create their pet profile first. Select the target. Once that's done, you're ready to begin their scan. Below the main Quick Scan options, you'll find energetic auras. Each one takes just 20 seconds and helps reset or protect your energy. They're perfect for before or after social interactions or any time you're feeling off. And finally, the 3-minute boosts. These are short frequency tracks designed to help with focus, relaxation, grounding, clarity, and more. Just put on your headset, press play, and let the frequencies support your energy. So, whenever you need a quick reset, clarity, or energetic boost, Quick Scan will be your go-to.